Hi everyone, my name's Dunn and I am the NetApp Business Sector Manager here at Arrow ECS, and we're here today to provide you with some insight into some business issues that three chosen verticals face, and how NetApp's HCI solution has played quite a key part in resolving these issues and demonstrating some real business benefits. Our objective today is to provide you with some key battle points to drive NetApp HCI into your end users, win against the competition and in the markets that you play in. On that note, I would like to introduce Robert Horsfield, one of the NetApp Business Development Managers here at Arrow ECS. So Rob, can you tell me some of the business issues facing the high-tech industry and maybe an example of how NetApp's HCI has been able to deliver substantial business benefit?
Yeah. I think there are three major issues that high-tech companies face as they try to go to market in the current world. The high-tech marketplace is full of new products, and these new products are often sold in different ways. So that means that these companies need to constantly evolve and change their IT infrastructure to support the sale of these products in a new and dynamic way. Also, high-tech companies have to be able to grow very, very fast to take advantage of any new opportunities that arise as the marketplace develops. And high-tech companies also really need to show excellent value for money in order to maximise their profits for their investors and shareholders. One example of where NetApp is helping other high-tech companies move fast and gain business advantages is a company called Imperva. Imperva provides a range of cybersecurity solutions for large organisations in on-premise and in the cloud and hybrid environments, serving banking, government and other key sectors that find themselves under constant threat of cyber attacks. Imperva requires the highest level of performance to develop effective solutions quickly and efficiently to meet business objectives whilst continuing to give customer satisfaction. Imperva needed to ensure their multi-regional data centre systems and infrastructure were running 24/7 and delivering optimum performance. Given the distance between its Israeli data centres, Imperva sought a system that eliminated latency and thereby shortened testing and developing time for customer solutions. They achieved their objectives, bringing business systems and tools closer to the developers by opting for a hyper-converged infrastructure solution from NetApp. Imperva conducted a thorough survey of available solutions and then ran pilot projects with several vendors before deciding on NetApp's HCI. At the pilot stage, they carried out two stringent stress tests evaluating the HCI's functionality, one for performance and footprint, the other for ease of operation and simplicity of use, and they found NetApp's solution a clear winner. Imperva's Director of Operations has publicly stated that we're always striving for the most cutting-edge and best-of-breed technology to ensure fast development for our customers, and that's why we chose NetApp. The NetApp solution was implemented in a very short period of time. Imperva said HCI is a single integrated solution that was easy to assimilate within our systems. The learning curve was extremely short, and all we had to do was plug it into our virtual environment. HCI provides us with a unified data center management solution that meets all our needs for updates, configurations and other tasks, which are all now far simpler. From the time it's been up and running, HCI has given Imperva a high level of performance that the company required. They have said first and foremost, HCI has improved our disk and server performance significantly. It reduced testing and development time for both R&D and quality assurance. The solution also enabled Imperva to address quality of service issues at the storage and individual disk level, which was a key factor in their choice. Bringing independent computing, storage and network management capabilities together in a consolidated system, HCI gives Imperva the flexibility to scale when needed. One of the key things Imperva most valued was NetApp's flexibility when scaling. They bought HCI at the size needed for the current operations and are now confident that no matter how the solution needs to be scaled in the future, growth will be simple and manageable. Other systems they tested just did not give them the flexibility they needed. Another area Imperva needed to deliver on was value for money. During the proof of concept and testing, the NetApp HCI delivered the best performance compared to cost and capacity. It also saved on physical rack space and drastically reduced power consumption. So in summary, Imperva have saved on the initial purchase cost to deliver the performance their business needed. They've saved because they only needed to buy for their current needs rather than allow for potential future growth. And they saved on cost during implementation because it was simple and required no additional training for their IT staff. On top of that, they saved on running costs because it takes up less space and uses less power and cooling for their data center.
Great, thank you for that. Gartner view NetApp's HCI solution as the evolutionary disruptor in the market currently and provide a solution to your customers that enables you to focus directly on the business needs. If you want to know more or have a conversation with me or any of my BDMs, feel free to reach out to any of us via the usual channels and we'll see how we can support you in that. Thank you.